This question says as VDS is increased above VGS minus VT for a saturated MOSFET, we got to answer this. So first it says the channel becomes pinched off near the source. Well, if we look at the channel part right here, we can see that the channel is large near the source. So no, it does not become pinched off. So it cannot be A, and it can also not be all of these. The voltage across the channel increases. Well, the voltage across the channel is actually going to stay the same. So it's not going to increase here. Next we have the capacitance of the drain junction gets larger. And the capacitance, if we look at like the capacitance for it right here in saturation for the parallel plate capacitor between the gate and the channel, it's going to look something like this. And from here, it's not going to get larger. We can see that if we were to plug in some values and actually test this for our CGS, because this is the capacitance for the drain PN. So we have a 2/3 over our C gate. So we have the capacitance, and then we have the overlap. We have our COX, the WL overlap, and that just comes from this C gate right here. So we have COX and WL, and then we also have to plug this in here as well. So with that, we know it does not get larger. So last thing, the depletion region around the drain gets wider. Well, if we look at the top part up here, we can see that around here, it does get wider around the drain. So this is true, and D is going to be the answer for as VDS is increased above VGS minus VT for saturated N MOSFET, the depletion region around the drain gets wider.